forecast with meteorologist Chad Evans. Weather from where you live.
Well, the clouds are thickening, but there's no rain out there just yet on Live Doppler 18. But I guarantee you, by this time tomorrow, there will be rain across the area as our next storm system develops. And there are three factors that are going to bring a lot of rain to a good chunk of the U.S., including the WLFI viewing area. Number one, we've got the remnants of a hurricane down here in Mexico. This is Rick. You can see him moving up here into Texas and then being pulled up into a storm system here over parts of Colorado. I suppose that's the third factor here. The other factor is the fact that we've got the remnants of an old Pacific typhoon that's in the Rockies now. And these will combine together and will invigorate this storm system right here in the plains. So bottom line is, with all these factors coming into play, we've got a lot of rain on the way. Some of that rain is going to be flooding rain in parts of Indiana. Now, first of all, let's start with tomorrow morning. Again, overcast skies, winds out of the south and the southwest, a mild start to the day with temperatures in the mid-50s. But the rain does approach, and I do think by noon, it's likely going to be raining, at least in our far western counties. The rain will approach from the west and then overspread the area in the afternoon. The heaviest of which will arrive tomorrow night with perhaps a few embedded thunderstorms. So again, it looks like the heaviest period of rain will likely be tomorrow night, but expect rain, at least in a periodic fashion, over the next 2 days beginning by noon tomorrow. And rainfall could be pretty heavy in places. We're talking 1 to 1.5 inches over our northwest counties here from near Morocco all the way up to Winnemac. Now over towards Rochester, Royal Center, Logansport, Delphi, Monticello, Lafayette, Fowler, and down towards Petersburg and Fowler. 1.5 to 2 inches of rain, but 2 to 2.5 inches from Tipton down to Ladoga. Some of that rain going to be pretty heavy. But the good news is, after a cold snap over the weekend and a few lingering showers, another warm-up is on the way next week. Notice Saturday, 48 for the high, 54 by Sunday. So forecast, 55, rather breezy, mostly cloudy tonight. For tomorrow, 63, rain, a few storms arriving, winds out of the south. And then more rain, 60 on Friday, 48 on Saturday before it warms up very nicely by Tuesday and Wednesday before more storms arrive. And I'm running out of time, but it does look like a significant cool down on the way by Halloween.